Hello guys, welcome back to Niger News and Entertainment. I regret asking DJ Copy for marriage on social media. All I needed was a wife material like Tacha. Uche Maduagu says. Controversial Nollywood actor Uche Maduagu says he regrets asking for billionaire's daughter DJ Copy's hand in marriage. The actor said all he needed is a wife material like controversial Baby Naija housemate Tacha. He made this known via his official Instagram handle on Wednesday. He wrote, "I regret asking at Copy Music for marriage on social media. All I needed was a wife material like Tacha. My only regret in 2019 is asking Copy to marry me on Instagram. All my fans in London, Ghana, and even Nigeria told me that I should look for beautiful girls like Baby Naija Tacha, but I never listened to them. A girl that has never smelled lack can not understand what the majority of Nigerians are going through on a daily basis, even if she sings about it from now to tomorrow. Can someone give what they don't have through experience? Girls like Tacha don't have a billionaire father, so you will never hear them trying to make a difference between being rich and wealthy. That's because they are wise enough to know that God is the giver of wealth, and that being born with a silver spoon does not make others inferior spiritually." Guys, let me know what you think about Uche Maduabu's regrets in 2019 in the comment section below. Thank you.